So let us start the session. Today we are going to start revision number 3 of chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. And this is the last revision, and I am going to complete today's trigonometric identities. So this is the chart of different types of questions, and we have completed these two topics in revision number 1 and 2. Now we are going to complete the trigonometric identities based question. So there are 4 types of questions: to find the value of expression, proving identities, proving conditional identities, expressing t ratios in other t ratio. Okay, so before that, let us recapitulate the trigonometric identities formulas. So the first formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and in this we have two more formulas. If you shift sin square theta to this side, it will become 1 minus sin square theta. If you shift cos square theta to this side, it will become 1 minus cos square theta. So first formula is sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta, and the second one is cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So altogether we have 3 formulas: 1, 2, 3. And the second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. In this, if you shift this one to this side, you will get sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. So this is the another one. Or if you shift 1 to this side, you will get tan square theta. Okay, so first one, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, and the next one is tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. So here also we have 3 formulas. And the last identity is 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. इसमें भी दो फॉर्मूला है. One is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1, and the second one is cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, so altogether total 9 formulas are there. And apart from this, one very important formula, tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, or cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. Okay, so all these formulas we will use as per our requirement. So I am going to take first 8.4 some important questions. After that, I will take up some board questions. Okay, so let us start with the first question of exercise 8.4. To express the trigonometric ratios in another trigonometric ratio. Okay, so this is the first one: express trigonometric ratios sin theta, sec theta and tan theta in terms of cot theta. Okay, so first of all we will take sin A. sin A को हम लोग cosec के फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे? How will you write in terms of cosec?
1 by cos.
Right, 1 by cosec. Or cosec theta, how will you write? Cosec square theta, how will you write in cot square theta? What is the identity? Cosec square theta.
1 plus cot
1 plus cos square theta is equals to cosec square theta.
Right, very good. So cosec A हो जाएगा root over 1 plus cot square A. Okay, the reason is that cosec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. So फर्स्ट वन हो गया. tan A को हम लोग cot में रिप्रेजेंट कर दिए. नाउ फॉर sec थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन cos थीटा. नाउ सी cos थीटा को हम लोग कैसे लिखेंगे? इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड बाय cos थीटा by sin A, so we'll get cos A upon sin A into sin A. Now what is this will become?
Tan theta.
Cot A. Okay, fine. So we'll get 1 upon cos A upon sin A into sin A. So 1 upon cot A, this will become cot A, and sin A already हम लोग निकाल के रखे हैं, ये वाला. You substitute this to here. So we'll get this step. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so after this we have to take the reciprocal. So this will come to the numerator, and this is the final answer. Now let us move towards tan A. Tan is the reciprocal of cot, so it is very easy. ठीक है, दूसरा तरीका क्या है बता रहा हूँ. sec square a का फॉर्मूला क्या है? What is the sec square a formula? Second identity.
1 plus tan square है.
Right. So sec square a को हम लोग लिख सकते हैं 1 plus tan square a. And this we can write 1 upon cot square a. Now take LCM. Okay. Now take square root. If you take square root, you will get, what you will get?
Root cot square a plus 1 by cot a.
Right. एक minute. We have to put square root everywhere. Right. Now this is correct. ये हो गया sec a. So this is another way. Sec a is equals to root over 1 plus tan square a. Tan square a we converted into 1 upon cot square a. Now after taking LCM, we have taken square root. दोनों में से कोई भी मेथड यूज कर सकते हो. Now the third one is tan a. Tan a is nothing but 1 upon cot a. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now the second one, write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. So first of all, let us start with sin A. What is sin A? Sin square theta in terms of cos square theta. 1 minus cos square A. Sin square A is 1 minus cos square A. So sin A will be root over 1 minus cos square A. Now cos square A we can convert it into sec square A. How you will convert cos square A to sec square A?
1 by
1 by 6.
Right, very good. 1 upon sec square A. Now take LCM. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, we'll get the answer. Okay? You can write one more step. इसको square root ले सकते हैं. So we can write one more step. Root over sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. This is the final answer. Okay? Now next is cos A. Cos A is very simple. It is the reciprocal of sec A. So 1 upon sec A. Now tan A. What is tan A? Sin upon cos. Or you can use tan square theta formula. That is sec square theta minus 1. So tan A हो जाएगा root over sec square A minus 1. We have used this formula. Tan square theta is equals to sec square theta minus 1. Now we got all the three basic trigonometric ratios. Now the reciprocal, it is very easy. Sin का reciprocal क्या होगा?
Cosec.
Cosec A. Very good. So इसको reciprocal में लिखेंगे sec A upon root over sec square A minus 1. Cot A is equals to 1 upon tan A. तो इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा. Next cosec A, because sec A तो already दिया हुआ है. Cosec A इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now I'm moving towards question number 5. 3 already deleted हो चुका है. 4th में objective है. So I am going to take question number 5, some selected question. So second bit से start कर रहा हूँ मैं. Cos A upon 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A upon cos A is equals to 2 sec A. This we have to show. So I'm going to take LHS first. So take LCM. If you take LCM, what you will get? Cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square upon 1 plus sin A into cos A. After that, use A plus B whole square formula. So what we'll get? 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A. Okay? उसके बाद ये दोनों को एक साथ लिखेंगे and this will become 1. Why this will become 1?
because cos square A
Sin
plus
square A plus cos square equal to 1.
Right, very good. Okay, so we'll write together first. Then in the next step, we will replace it by 1. Now this 1 plus 1 will become 2. Okay, we have used this formula. 1 plus 1 will become 2 and we'll take 2 common. So we'll get 1 plus sin A. In the next step, these 2 will be cancelled. Any doubt in this step?
no sir.
Okay, so 2 by cos A will be left. and 1 by cos है क्या होगा?
Sec A.
Sec.
1 by
Right.
sec.
So this is equals to 2 sec A, and that is the RHS. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Now I'm going to take third bit, tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equals to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. ये 2019 के बोर्ड एग्जाम में आया था. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू टेक LHS. इसको दो तरीके से कर सकते हैं हम लोग. आइदर यू कैन कन्वर्ट cot टू tan, then you can simplify, or you can convert all in sin and cos form. I think most of the students expressed their views that sin cos they feel better. What about you?
So first solving and then converting into sine and cos.
Okay, फिलहाल तो मैं भी साइन और कॉस वाला मेथड यूज कर रहा हूँ. बट लास्ट संडे आई टुक टेस्ट इन दैट आई हैव गिवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ tan theta form. Okay, anything is any form is correct. That one is also correct. This one is also correct. So tan theta, how will you convert?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Okay, sin theta by cos theta. And how will you convert cot theta?
Cos theta by sin theta.
Right. So we are going to replace. Okay. We are going to replace. We have replaced tan theta as sin theta by cos theta and cot theta by cos theta by sin theta. Now take LCM here. If you take LCM, you will get sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, and here cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. This step is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
in the next step, this sin theta will be multiplied with the numerator, and this cos theta will come to the denominator. Same here, cos theta will multiplied with the numerator, and this sin theta will come down. Okay, so we'll get this step. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, now in the next step I want to make these two same. So what I will do, I will take minus common from here. So ये change हो जाएगा, minus common लेंगे तो this will be changed to minus, and what will get here?
Sin theta minus cos
yes,
theta.
very good. Sin theta minus cos theta. Fine. So this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to take LCM. अगर LCM लेंगे तो क्या होगा? यहाँ पे एक sin theta इंटू होगा और यहाँ पे cos theta इंटू होगा. So what we will get? Sin cube theta. Okay. See, we have to multiply first. So this will become sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Okay. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
a cube minus b cube formula is a minus b. Listen carefully. A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So ये हो जाएगा sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. Clear? This is the formula we have used. Now these two factors will be cancelled. And what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta?
1.
1.
Yes. Now we are replacing it by 1. इसको 1 से replace कर दिए. Reason cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. Now दोनों को आप split करो. If you split, you will get 1 upon cos theta sin theta plus 1. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now 1 upon cos theta is sec theta, 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta. So finally we'll get 1 plus sec
1
theta
plus-
cosec theta. This is the right hand side. Any doubt in this question?
No,
No,
sir.
This is very important question for this year also. Okay, now we are moving towards the fifth bit. This is also very important. Exam में ये भी काफी बार आ चुका है. So I'm going to take LHS first. इसमें ये लिखा हुआ है using this identity, but usually ये एग्जाम में नहीं लिखा रहता है. Okay, so LHS ले रहे हैं हम लोग. Now right hand side we have cosec A cot A. What is the denominator of both the term, both the t ratios?
Sine.
Yes, sine theta. So what we will do, we will divide numerator and denominator by sine theta. So if we divide, here we'll get cos a by sine a, ये 1 हो जाएगा, 1 by sine a. Cos a by sine a, this will also will become 1 minus 1 by sine a. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now what is cos a by sine a?
Cot.
Cot A.
Cot.
Cot. And what is 1 by sine a?
Cosec.
Cosec A.
Cosec.
Right. So we are getting this step. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. In the next step, what we will do, केवल numerator को ही disturb करेंगे हम लोग. We will shift -1 to this side, like that. Now we will replace 1. 1 can be replaced in 3 ways. Listen carefully: sin square theta plus cos square theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Now we'll see the other terms, other trigonometric ratios in that expression. So cosec, cot. So which formula we will use?
Cosec square theta minus
Cosec
cot square
theta
theta.
minus
Very good.
cot square
Cosec
theta.
square theta minus cot square theta. Now there are two factors of this expression, a square minus b square. So what are they? Cosec a minus cot a into cosec a plus cot a. Now we'll take common from these two terms. Cosec a plus cot a, cosec a plus cot a. दोनों में common ले रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा और यहाँ पर ये वाला term बचेगा. This term will be left over. But due to this minus sign, this will become plus. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
And these two will be cancelled. And what we are going to get? Cosec a
Cosec
plus
square
cot a. That is
cot
the
A.
required right hand side. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards the 7th bit. ये 2015 के board exam में आया था. I think 2018 में भी आया था, right? So now LHS में ले रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. So what is common between these two terms?
Sine theta.
And what is common between these two terms?
Cos theta.
Cos
चलो
theta.
उसको common ले लिए. So what we are getting 1 minus 2 sine square theta upon 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now the right hand side tan theta is there, and tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. So it means that these two must be cancelled. So we have to make it in the same t ratio form. Either you convert sine square theta to cos square theta or cos square theta to sine square theta. So I am going to convert sine square theta. How will you convert sine square theta? To cos square theta. How will you convert?
1 minus cos square theta.
Right, very good. 1 minus cos square theta. Now due to this minus sign, this will become plus. Okay. So what we are getting, plus 2 cos square theta minus 1 we are getting here. So these two will be cancelled, and we are getting sine theta by cos theta, and that is nothing but that is tan theta. That is the right hand side. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards the 8th bit. This is also 2019 board question. And we have to prove that sin a plus cosec a whole square plus cos a plus sec a whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. So we are going to take left hand side first. So use formula a plus b whole square in both the terms. So what we are going to get? Sin square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sin a cosec a here, and here cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a sec a. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what we will do, we will use identities for this one, जिसमें मैं circle कर रहा हूँ, and this one. What you can write? Wait, one by one. Let us start with this one, cosec square a. What you can write?
1 upon sin square a.
No. 1 plus cot square theta.
Cot
Okay,
square
1
A.
plus cot square a. This we can write 1 plus tan square a. This we can write 1 upon sin a. This we can write 1 upon cos a.
cos A.
So this step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the reason मैं यहाँ पे नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. You can write here the reason. These two will be cancelled. These two will be cancelled. And what we are getting, that I am going to write. ठीक है? Sin square a plus 1 plus cot square a plus 2 plus cos square a plus 1 plus tan square a plus 2. Now in the next step, we will write these two together. What is the value of these two together if you write?
1.
Okay. And the remaining 1 plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this
Yes,
will
sir.
become 1 because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. And finally we'll get 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. This is our right hand side. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving toward the last bit, that is 10th bit. This is also a very good question. Here I already told you that in the regular class x, y, z. If you have to check which one is simplified form, then we have to show accordingly. See, this to this and this to this. यहाँ से ये वाला प्रूफ करना और यहाँ से ये वाला प्रूफ करना. So we'll start from the first term. Okay, that is 1 plus tan square a upon 1 plus cot square a. Now cot square a can be converted into tan square a. How?
1 by tan square A.
Very good. 1 upon tan square a. Now take LCM. Okay, if you take LCM, this will come to the numerator and these two will be cancelled. So what we are going to get? Tan square a,
Tan
and
square
that is
A.
equals to the third term. Okay, I told you na, first to third term we have to prove and second to third term, because third term is the simplified form. Okay, now we are going to take second term. Second term again we will convert cot a to tan a. How?
1 by
upon-
tan A.
By tan A.
Yes, 1 upon tan a. Now again take LCM. If you take LCM, you will get this step. Okay. Now you take minus common from this one. What you will get? If you take minus common.
Tan A minus 1.
Yes. And this tan a multiplied to numerator. So you'll get this step. Why minus come here? Because we took minus common from here. Okay? Now this two will be cancelled and minus tan a whole square will be equals to tan square a.
Tan square A.
This is equals to third term. Hence first term is equals to second term is equals to third term. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So this is the last question of that exercise. Now we are moving toward board questions. Okay. So let us start with the first question. This is CBSE 12 question. Sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta minus cos theta is equals to 2 by 2 sin square theta minus 1 we have to prove. So first we will take LHS. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, the numerator what it will become? Sin theta minus cos theta whole square plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square upon sin theta plus cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. This step is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now we have two ways to simplify the numerator. One formula is there. Listen carefully. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equals to 2 times a square plus b square. This is one of the formula. अगर याद नहीं है, you expand these two. That would be better. A minus b whole square, a plus b whole square. See, this is the expansion. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Anything
No,
which
sir.
is cancelling here? This two? And what is the value of these two? Sine square theta plus cos square
1.
theta.
1.
So two ones are there. So we are getting 1 plus 1 upon sine square theta minus cos square theta. But in denominator only sine square theta is there. So we will replace this cos square theta. How will you replace cos square theta to sine
1
square
minus
theta?
1 minus sine
Very
square
good.
theta.
1 minus sine square theta. Now the numerator will become 2. Okay. And this will become plus because of this minus sign. So sine square theta plus sine square theta will be 2 sine square theta minus 1 is
Minus
already
1.
there. Any doubt in this question?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards another very important question. This is 2012 and 17 board question. And we have to show that this is equals to this one. So this question is very easy. First we'll take the LHS. And now I will change 1. We have to change 1. 1 we can convert it into change to any 3 expression. I already told. 1 sine square theta plus cos square theta. Second sec square theta minus tan square theta. The third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. We have to see the other trigonometric ratios. Accordingly, we have to select for 1, replacement of 1. So which identity we are going to replace?
Sec square theta minus tan square theta.
Very good. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Why? Because sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Right. Now we have two factors again. A plus b into a minus b. Right. Now if you see carefully, this is the first term, this is the second term. And in this two term, sec theta plus tan theta is common. Or tan theta plus sec theta. If you take common, 1 will be left here. और यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा? ये बचेगा. ये वाला. And due to this minus sign, this will become plus. Okay, so these two will be cancelled. And what we are going to get? Tan theta plus sec theta or sec theta plus tan theta. Now convert sec theta to 1 by cos theta and tan theta by sin theta by cos theta. After that take LCM. What you will get if you take LCM? 1 plus sin
1
theta
plus sine
by
square theta, sine theta by cos theta.
cos theta. Okay, fine. So that is our RHS. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards next very important question. If sec theta plus tan theta is equals to P, prove that sin theta is equals to P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1. So इसको हम लोग RHS से प्रूफ करेंगे. ठीक है. LHS से भी कर सकते हैं, RHS से भी कर सकते हैं. So we'll take RHS and substitute the value of P. Now use formula a plus b whole square. Okay, for both. So we are getting this one. Okay. So now what is sec square theta minus 1? Sec square theta
Tan
minus
square
1.
Tan square theta.
Very
Tan
good.
square theta.
And what is tan square theta plus 1?
Sec square
Sec
theta.
square.
Very good. So that two we are going to replace. Okay. वो दोनों को replace करेंगे. उससे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे? दोनों को एक साथ लिख लो पहले. ऐसे. -1 को इसके साथ लिखो और +1 को इसके साथ लिखो. Now we are going to replace these two. Because sec square theta minus 1 tan square theta and sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. Now this will become 2 times tan square theta and this will become 2 times sec square theta. Now what you can take common from these two? इन दोनों में क्या
Tan
कॉमन ले
theta.
सकते हैं? 2 tan theta और इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं?
2 sec theta.
Right, very good. So we are getting this one. In this 2 will be cancelled. 2 भी cancel हो जाएगा और क्या बचेगा? केवल tan theta by sec theta will get. and tan theta is sin by cos, sec theta is 1 by cos. Again cos will be cancelled, and what we will get?
Sin
Sin
theta.
theta. That is our LHS. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving towards the next question. This is CBSE 2017 question. Sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta is equals to 2 cosec theta. So हम लोग LHS लेके LCM लेंगे पहले. So we'll take LHS first and take LCM. So sin square theta हो जाएगा ये, and this will become 1 plus cos theta whole square. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Now use a plus b whole square formula. So we'll get 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. Again, we will write these two together because we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. So दोनों को एक साथ लिखेंगे हम लोग. Next step में इसको 1 से replace कर लो. And we know that 1 plus 1 is 2. ठीक है, और ये दोनों में से 2 कॉमन लेंगे तो 2 into 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. So this 2 will be cancelled and we are getting 2 by sin theta. What is 1 by sin theta?
1 by cosec theta.
Cosec theta. So this is the proof. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now next question. This is 2012 and 2017. D means Delhi board. Okay. OD means outside Delhi. So x upon a cos theta plus y upon sin theta is equals to 1. X upon a sin theta minus y upon b cos theta is equals to 1. Prove that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equals to 2. See, this is the identity, but based on this condition, these two conditions. So such identity are called conditional identities. Okay. So अभी first दोनों equation हम लोग लिख लेते हैं, equation 1, equation 2. Now square both sides in both the equations and add. What you will get if you square this and this? This is in the form of a plus b and this is in the form of a minus b. Okay, so a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. See, we'll get this system. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So अब यहाँ पर formula expand कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So a square means this square plus this square plus 2ab. Right? If you see carefully, this 2 will be cancelled. क्योंकि x by a, y by b है और sin theta cos theta भी है. Okay, and what you can take common between these two? X square upon
X square,
और इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन ले सकते हैं?
Y square.
y square by b
Yes, y
square.
square by b square. So common ले लिए. And what is the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta?
1.
1.
ठीक है, तो ये दोनों 1 हो जाएगा. तो क्या बचेगा? केवल x square by a square plus y square by b is equals to 2. क्यों? क्योंकि sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 होता है. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So we'll move towards one more very important question. This is also conditional based question. Okay? नहीं, conditional based नहीं. To find the value of expression. So root 3 cot square theta minus 4 cot theta plus root 3 is equals to 0. Then find the value of cot square theta plus tan square theta. तो सबसे पहले तो हम लोग जो दिया हुआ उसको लिखेंगे. ठीक है, क्या दिया हुआ? रूट 3 cot square theta minus 4 cot theta plus root 3 is equals to 0. Okay, now here we will shift minus 4 to this side. शिफ्ट करेंगे तो प्लस हो जाएगा. Okay, now from this 2 we can take root 3 common. ले सकते हैं ना? So if you take
Yes,
root
sir.
3 common, we'll get root 3 into cot square theta plus 1 is equals to 4 cot theta. Now in the next step, you shift cot theta to here in the denominator and root 3 in the denominator of right hand side. So we'll get this step. Whether this step is clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
अब इसको स्प्लिट करो. सो स्प्लिट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा बाई कॉट थीटा प्लस 1 अपॉन कॉट थीटा. सो ये कितना मिलेगा बताओ जल्दी.
Cot theta.
और ये क्या हो जाएगा?
Tan theta.
Tan theta. Very good. Cot theta plus tan theta is equals to 4 by root 3. Now square both sides. So squaring both sides, we are getting this step. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
A square plus B square plus 2AB. Right? And what is the value of 2 cot theta tan theta? What is the value of cot theta tan theta?
1.
1. Right. क्योंकि ये 1 upon tan theta होता है, tan theta cancel हो जाएगा. So we can write cot square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 is equals to 16 by 3. Why? Because cot theta tan theta 1 होता है. Now shift 1 2 to this side. Minus 2. Okay, LHS हम लोग को ये पार आ गया. देखो cot square theta plus tan square theta we got here. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, you will get 16 minus 6 by 3. So what is the final answer?
10 by
10
3.
by 3.
Right, 10 by 3. Very good. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now next question. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to P, then prove that cos theta is equals to P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1. Similar question just now we have solved. RHS से हम लोग प्रूफ किए थे. P का वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट किए थे. Sec theta plus tan theta. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
अब भी किए थे जस्ट. तो अभी थोड़ा मैं दूसरे तरीके से बताता हूँ इसको. The same that question also you can take up with this method. I am going to take what is the given that I am going to take. Okay, cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to P दिया हुआ है. इसको हम लोग 1 अपॉन साइन थीटा लिख सकते हैं और इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं cos थीटा अपॉन साइन थीटा. Take LCM. So we'll get 1 plus cos theta by sin theta is equals to P. Okay, now square both sides. Now how you can write sin square theta in terms of cos square theta?
1 minus cos square theta.
Right, 1 minus cos square theta. So 1 minus cos square theta means we have two factors. See, sin square theta 1 minus cos square theta और इसके दो factors होंगे. That is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. तो इसमें एक फैक्टर कैंसिल होगा 1 plus cos theta. Yes?
Yes, sir.
एक कैंसिल होगा, ये कैंसिल होगा तो यहाँ 1 आ जाएगा. So we'll get 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equals to P square. Now cross multiply. Okay, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करो और 1 को इधर शिफ्ट करो. देखो ये भी बहुत इजी लगेगा. यहाँ पे शिफ्ट किए तो प्लस हो गया. ओके, सो वी आर गेटिंग cos theta plus P square cos theta is equals to P square minus 1. Now from this two we can take cos theta common. So cos theta we are getting P square minus 1 upon P square plus 1. ये मेथड कैसा लगा? How is this method? Easy?
Easy, sir.
Okay. So you can use that method also. Right hand side लेके कर सकते हैं इसको. Okay. Now next question. If tan theta plus sin theta is equals to P, tan theta minus sin theta is equals to Q, prove that P square minus Q square is equals to 4 times root over PQ. 2012 board question. So this is also conditional identity. This is true based on these two conditions. Okay. So पहले LHS ले लेते हैं. We are going to take LHS. That is P square minus Q square. Substitute the value of P and Q. Now A plus B whole square, A minus B whole square expand करो. Okay. Now if you open the bracket, these two will be cancelled. Why? Because same sign. Minus करेंगे तो cancel हो जाएगा. And what we are going to get? only these two. That is 4 times tan theta sin theta. Let it be equation number 1. Any doubt in this LHS?
No, sir.
ओके अब हम लोग RHS को सॉल्व करेंगे सेपरेटली. सब्स्टिट्यूट P एंड Q. सो ये हो जाएगा a प्लस बी इंटू ए माइनस बी, ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. नाउ tan theta we can write sin square theta by cos square theta, and this is sin square theta by 1. Okay, now what you can take common from these two, or otherwise take LCM. You take LCM. इसको LCM लेंगे तो यहाँ पे sin square theta cos square theta हो जाएगा, ये वाला. Okay, now can we take sin square theta from these two common?
Yes, sir.
Okay, common ले लिए. तो यहाँ पे बचा केवल 1 minus cos square theta. What is 1 minus cos square theta?
Sin square theta.
Right. And what is sin square theta by cos square theta? Sin square theta by cos square theta क्या हो जाएगा?
Cot square, tan square theta.
Right. Very good. So ये हो जाएगा tan square theta into sin square theta. इसका स्क्वायर रूट निकालेंगे तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन आ गया. Now see from first and second equation. LHS is equals to RHS. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So let us move towards one more board question. This is CBSE 12 question. Root over sec a minus 1 upon sec a plus 1 whole root plus whole root sec a plus 1 upon sec a minus 1 is equals to 2 cos sec a. So हम लोग पहले जहाँ पे रूट रहेगा वही लेना है पहले LHS. इसको रूट को स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं हम लोग ऊपर नीचे. स्प्लिट करेंगे तो कुछ ऐसा मिलेगा. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, this root will go out because root a into root a होता है. So here also if you multiply, root will go out, eliminate हो जाएगा. We'll get this step. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
So here minus 1 plus 1 will be cancelled and we are getting 2 sec a upon, now what is this, root over sec square a minus 1.
Cot square A.
tan a का फॉर्मूला होता है ना रूट ओवर sec square a minus 1. So we'll get 2 sec a upon root over tan square a, or you can write directly tan a, because tan a we can write root over sec square a minus 1. So whether this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके अभी sec a को लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 1 upon cos a और tan a को लिख सकते हैं sin upon cos a. Again cos cancel and we will get 2 upon sin a, and 1 upon sin a is cosec a.
1 by cosec A.
Right. So this is equals to RHS. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards another question. This is CBSE 2014 question. See, all these questions are out of your NCERT और रेगुलर एग्जाम में आया हुआ क्वेश्चंस है. ओके सो यहाँ पर देखो फर्स्ट टर्म टू सेकंड टर्म सिंप्लीफाइड है. सो हम लोग LHS से यहाँ पर आएंगे और ये हम लोग का एक्सट्रीम RHS से यहाँ पर आएंगे, हम लोग प्रूफ करेंगे. ठीक है. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट LHS. सो यहाँ पर भी हम लोग अगर LCM लेते हैं, इफ यू टेक LCM by splitting the root in numerator and denominator, तो एक स्टेप मैं स्किप कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि प्लेस मुझे नहीं रहेगा इसमें. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव स्किप्ड वन स्टेप. इसको न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को अलग अलग रूट में मैंने नहीं लिखा है. ओके डायरेक्ट LCM लेंगे. सो वेदर दिस स्टेप इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Here sin a will be cancelled and we are getting 2 upon root over 1 minus sin square a. What is root over 1 minus sin square a?
Cosec square A.
Root है ना
root
already.
over cos square a.
Okay, fine. If you want to write cos square a, root over cos square a, and that is equals to cos a only. So 2 upon cos a means 2 sec a. Let it be equation number 1. अब हम लोग राइट साइड वाला ले रहे हैं, this one. 2 into sin a tan a plus cot a. tan A को change कर लो. How will you write tan A?
Sin A by cos A.
Very good. Sin A by cos A. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, we'll get sin square A plus cos square A by cos A. What is the value of this?
1.
1.
Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 होता है. Again 1 upon cos A is sec A. So from equation 1 and 2, we conclude that all these three are equal to each other. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards one more very important question. Very good question. 2015 का question है ये. Prove that 1 plus cot A plus tan A into sec sin A minus cos A is equals to sec cube A minus cosec cube A upon sec square A into cosec square A. So we'll take LHS first. उसके बाद इसको चेंज कर लो, कॉट और टैन को चेंज कर लो. सो इसको कैसे लिखेंगे? कॉस बाई साइन
Cos.
और इसको साइन बाई कॉस. ओके. नाउ टेक एलसीएम हियर. इफ यू टेक एलसीएम, व्हाट यू विल गेट?
sin A into cos A.
Sin A cos A plus cos square A plus sin square A upon sin A cos A. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what it will become? This one. अच्छा, एक मिनट. We can use one formula, A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. ये क्या हो जाएगा? A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. A cube minus B cube. Okay. So sin cube minus cos cube A, sin cube A minus cos cube A upon sin A cos A. ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज किए. देखो, A cube minus B cube, A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. Whether this formula is clear? How we used?
Yes, sir.
Okay. उसके बाद अभी हम लोग को sec cube A चाहिए और नीचे भी sec square चाहिए. तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? साइन क्यूब ए और कॉस क्यूब ए से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड कर दो इसको. डिवाइडिंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय साइन क्यूब ए कॉस क्यूब ए. तो इसमें साइन क्यूब ए कैंसिल हो जाएगा और इसमें कॉस क्यूब ए कैंसिल हो जाएगा और इसमें एक साइन कैंसिल होगा तो ये 2 हो जाएगा और इसमें एक कॉस कैंसिल होगा. ओके. So what we will get? We'll get sec cube A minus cos sec cube A upon sec square A into cosec square A. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. So only 2 questions are left. थोड़ा जल्दी complete कर लेते हैं. So this is the second last question. 2017 का board question है ये. Prove that cos square theta upon 1 minus tan theta plus sin cube theta upon sin theta minus cos theta is equals to 1 plus sin theta cos theta. So we are going to take LHS first. Okay. Tan theta को change करो. How will you change the tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. Now take LCM. If you take LCM, we'll get cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. और ये cos theta फिर ऊपर चला जाएगा, into हो जाएगा. So we'll get this step. And in the same step, we have taken minus common from this. So that is why ये minus हो गया. Whether this step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now the denominators are same. So it is very easy to take LCM. Now use A cube minus B cube formula. Just now we have seen A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. This is the formula. So this 2 will be cancelled. And what is the value of this one?
1.
1. So we got the LHS, RHS. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So now we are moving towards the last question of today's session and the last question of revision third also. Okay, so if 1 plus sine square theta is equals to 3 sine theta cos theta, then prove that tan theta is equals to 1 or 1 by 2. This is CBSE 2019 question. So सबसे पहले जो दिया हुआ है उसको मैं लिख रहा हूँ, that is 1 plus sine square theta is equals to 3 sine theta cos theta. Okay, now how I want to replace 1 by sine square theta plus cos square theta. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so this sine square theta plus sine square theta will become 2 sine square theta. Okay, now divide all the terms by cos square theta. All the term, all the both sides cos square theta से divide करो. So we are getting this step, dividing both sides by cos square theta. अभी एक एक करके देखते हैं क्या मिल रहा है. What you will get here,
Tan square theta.
right?
square theta.
And here you will get 1, and here 1 cos theta will be cancelled, so you will get tan theta. This step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now we will form quadratic equation. Now factorize. Product is plus 2 and the sum is minus 3. So we are getting minus 2 minus 1. अगर इसको फैक्टराइज करोगे तो दो फैक्टर मिलेगा हम लोग को, tan theta minus 1 into 2 tan theta minus 1 is equals to 0. So either tan theta minus 1 is equals to 0 or 2 tan theta minus 1 is equals to 0, or tan theta is equals to 1 or tan theta is equals to 1 by 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So this is the last question of today's session. Now we are moving towards the next section, that is assignment questions. So I will post this assignment question through Google Classroom. You have to submit through Google Classroom only. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.